Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about the project phase two. The project which I'm choose is targeted mail center for recruiters. So this project focus on like the target mail center for recruiter is an AI powered automation tool designed to simplify and optimize the recruitment outreach process. It helps us recruiters by automatically extracting job postings, generating personalized cold emails, and sending them to the HR representative of a targeted company. In this project, we have used technologies like LangChain, ChromaDB, Streamlit to ensure efficiency, relevance, and automation in recruitment communication. So let me explain about the key features of the project. First of all, we will do a job extraction. Uh, this tool scraps job postings from a company career page, extracts role, experience, required skills, and job description. For example, let us take the career page of Adidas or Nike. They will post regular openings or requirements in the career page. Through this, we can scrap those data and let us find is there any opening in the web page or not. So the second one is cold email generation. So using LangChain with ChatGrok or Llama model from Meta, we can generate personalized cold email based on the job description. With the help of LangChain, we can enhance email content with the company achievements, portfolio, details to make it more relevant and credible. So another thing which we are integrating is portfolio integration. So we are using ChromaDB to match requirements, job requirements with relevant projects from the recruiter's portfolio. With this, we can dynamically suggest projects and achievements that aligns with the job posting with a particular skill sets. So another thing is automated email sending. Uh, from the scrapped data, we have a separate database for HR contacts, uh, filters HR contacts based on the target company, and using Python's SMTP library, we can send the personalized email for those recruiters and HRs. So another thing we are using, as I said, we are using Streamlit interface, which allow users to input job posting from the target company and display real-time email delivery status and error if any. So for the technical requirements, we are using Python 3 and the API key from LangChain, ChromaDB, and we are using Streamlit because it's an user-friendly interface for deploying Python code and ChromaDB. ChromaDB is a database model, which is a non-relational database model, which will store data in the vector format. So let me explain the project. So, so the targeted email center for a recruiter is an innovative AI-driven application designed to automate and enhance requirement communication by leveraging advanced technologies such as LangChain, ChromaDB, Streamlit. This tool help us in the process of extracting job posting from the career page and generating personalized emails and sending them directly to HR representative to ensure credibility by dynamically matching the job requirement with a relevant company project. So the problem statement which I taken is the main problem faced by those who apply for a job. Recruiters face challenges in manually extracting and processing job posting from multiple sources. As a as a recruiter, uh, people have do doubt. People do have doubts about what kind of process should I undertake to recruit some professional, those who have skilled in particular domain. So this can be solved using this project. And the second thing is personalizing cold email for specific job description is time consuming and error prone. So, for example, if I'm going to apply for multiple jobs, I can't do it manually. It will take times. So, using this project, the one who is applying for the job do not need to uh, do not need much time to apply for the job. So, and while applying manually, any kind of error could happen. So, using this automated email generator for job recruitment, we can avoid errors. And lack of integration between company's portfolio and job requirement to reduce the relevance of outreach. For example, if there is a job opening in a particular company, for example, let us take Hasil. They are recruiting for the role of DevOps. If candidates are from different domains and they do have different skill sets, for example, one is from CSE domain and another one is from ECE domain. So, for example, they do have a different knowledge skills and different knowledge and different skill sets to avoid this. Like, I don't want people from ECE department or anything else apart from this. Those who have worked in DevOps, I can manually uh, remove those people. Manually remove these candidates. To avoid this, it will take time. So to avoid this, we can maintain portfolios. From those portfolios and skills which they have worked on, we can extract people who have the particular skill set. So, and the main thing is managing and targeting HR contacts effectively for different companies is difficult without automation. For example, if a candidate want to reach the HR, uh, it will be so difficult to find HR contacts. So here in this process, we do have an HR database of a particular company for multiple companies. If I want to apply for a particular company, I can directly contact them using this tool automatically. So, and monitoring the status of the email sends and handling errors in real time. It's one of the key points of the project. And purpose of the project is to automate extraction of job posting from the career page and generate personalized cold email and integrate company's portfolio data dynamically to the match relevant skills. And we are using streamline email communication with the HR representative using an easy to use interface and providing real-time status of the updates and error handling email delivery process. So I think enough with the theory parts. Let me go and walk you through the code. So uh, here is my main file. So I'm just using the LangChain's community packages to use ChatGrok. As you know, there are multiple LLM models. Example, OpenAI's LLM model, Meta's LLM model, Llama, and then the other thing, Google PaLM. Uh, Now it's called as AI Studios. So there are multiple AI models, and recently they have launched DeepSeek. So it's an open source platform. For this project at all, we are using Meta's open source LLM model. Its name is Llama and ChatGrok. ChatGrok is something which is particularly used for handling chat bot applications. It's from LangChain. So for this project, we are using LangChain's ChatGrok and ChromaDB. I have also included the explanation for ChromaDB and how it works and in what format it stores data in database. So here I'm including the SMTP library here, and the send email function is something which related to communicate with the HR. If, for example, in this process, first of all, it will extract um, openings from career page. So here you can see the URL input is an which includes the value uh, parameter which have a website link. So while entering this link, it will automatically scrap the HTML page and give us the JSON format, JSON data. So using this, we can identify this particular skill set, skill set required for the job. So we are using LLM models to understand the job openings, and here you can see the portfolio.py. So this helps us to we have a particular Excel sheet for different portfolios of our candidates. So this will be stored in vector format in Chromatic. So I'm using this um, scrapping, and just by scrapping and comparing it with the portfolio CSV using Llama model. And so as you can see, I'm using Llama 3.37B versatile, and this is so this is the web page link I have shared with the AI model. So and this is an instruction which is related to prompts. So here I'm instructing the OpenAI's like the language model. This scrap text is from career page of a website. I'm just prompting this to the uh, language model so it can give us prompt correctly. It can give us an answer correctly by so the scrap text is from the career page of a website. You are a job expert. Uh, your job is to extract the job postings and return them in the JSON format containing the following keys, roles, experience, skills, and description. So it will give us in the valid JSON format. So here I included no preamble, which means uh, it doesn't give anything related to any paragraphs or anything like instruction, and it will doesn't give whether this code is from Python or from anything else. So we can extract those information from that. So I'm invoking this here using chain extractor invoke, and the input is from the Abu, and so here we can see uh, the JSON parser. This JSON parser is something which we extracted from the career page. Here we can see the role is technical lead, and the experience needed is 7 to 9 years, and the skill required is Azure Data Factory, Python. So the description of the job opening is design, develop, deploy, and manage integration solution with Azure Data Factory, and create data pipelines to move and transform data from various stores to target. So that's all. And here I'm including my portfolio.csv. Here we can have multiple candidates portfolio as well. So as you can see, the tech stack and the particular uh, link for the portfolio. So this will scrap as per the skill required for the job. It will suggest us some portfolios. So we can directly contact the HR of a particular company. So I'm here including the prompt for the email. So the job description, you are Prithvi, a business development executive at Heroku. Heroku is an AI and software consulting company. So which is a prompt I'm giving to the language model to understand and how to send an email, how to construct an email. So as uh, after this, this will give us an email with subject and the content for the email. So later, using SMTP library from Python, we can directly send it to the Azure. So here we can see I have this deployed this in Streamlit. So the URL is something which I pasted now, and the targeted company. So once I click generate and send email, it will automatically generate an email and send it to the Azure. I think it's taking time to send email. Yeah, email is sent to Sriram Reddy, and For example, on demo purpose, I'm giving my email ID. So let me go and check now whether the email is received or not. So yeah, I received an email and the subject is expert technical lead solution with Hirako. And yeah, hiring manager, I came across your job description for a technical lead and I'm excited to introduce Hirako, a re-owned AI and software consulting company that fulfill your technical requirement with an expertise in providing tailored solution. We can empower your enterprise to achieve scalability, which is something related to this particular job and the portfolios which I shared in that CSV is now shared as a link for this email ID. So this is how the project works. I hope you understand. I have also shared this code in GitHub and I have included the link in the LMS. So I guess hope you guys understand this project. So thank you, I guess. Bye bye.